You want Windows, but Ubuntu keeps showing up first in the GRUB menu. Well, this is exactly what we are fixing today. I will show you two simple methods to make Windows the default boot option in your dual boot system. Let's get started. Requirement: Ubuntu plus Windows dual boot. In my case, Windows is the fifth option, so its number is 4. Your might be different, so pay close attention your own GRUB menu. Let's check the position of Windows and Ubuntu in my GRUB menu. Remember, count from 0. Here my group 0 index Ubuntu 1 2 3 4. This is 4 index. You see Windows boot. Method 1. Edit the GRUB config file, which is the most relevant way. Open your terminal. You find it in the apps menu or shortcut. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus T. Now type this command and hit enter. Sudo nano /etc /default /grub grub. Enter your password when prompted. Now look for this line right here. Group default is 0. This is 0 mean the first option, which is Ubuntu. We need to change it the number to the position of Windows. In my GRUB menu, Windows is the fifth option, so I am going to change it to 4. Now press Ctrl plus 0 to save, then enter, and Ctrl plus X to exit. Finally, we need to apply this. Type sudo update group, enter. Wait for it to finish. It will take just a couple of seconds, and that's it. Method 1 is done. Method 2. On-liner command. First, quick hands up. Some version of Windows don't have grub-set-default pre-installed. Here's the command: sudo grub-set-default space 4. Enter. Again replace with your Windows position. Then update group. Sudo update group, enter. If you found a command not found error, type this instead: sudo space group 2 set default space 4. Hit enter, and then sudo update group. That's it. Two different way, same result. Now let's verify if it's actually work. Restart your PC by typing sudo reboot or just the restart button from the top right menu. Okay, now Windows is highlighted by default. Give it a few seconds, it's boot straight into Windows without you touching anything. Problem solved. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech fix. And drop a comment below if you are facing any other boot related issue. I might just make a video on your request. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Fix it till you make it.